Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve Cambridge IGCSE ICT exam paper, and we're going to look at website authoring. This is May-June 2021 paper, and this is paper 31. Okay, so you have been supplied with the following source files. So check your folder to ensure that you have all of these files in your folder. Okay, so task 1, evidence document. Create a word process document. Make sure your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. So let's do this first. So you open a Word document. Okay, and then insert in header. Okay, have your name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, save this document in your work area as J2131 evidence. Okay, followed by your center number and candidate number, just like this. Okay, save as, and then browse your work area. Okay, your center number and candidate number. Okay, center number and then candidate number. Save this in Word document format. Okay, that's done. Okay, you will need your evidence document during the examination to place screenshots when required. Okay, so file management task. You're going to create a web page and style sheet for Bali Holiday Homes. The web page and the style sheet must work in any browser. All color codes except those provided in the source files must be in hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. Make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. Okay, so first create a new folder called BHH. Okay, let's create a new folder in our work area. Okay. And then title the folder BHH. Okay, locate the following files and store them in your BHH folder. Okay, so let's locate these files. Okay, BG, BH, this, and which other one? Contact Jungle logo text. Contact Jungle logo and text. Okay, so I'm going to cut all and then paste in my BHH folder. Okay, display the content of your BHH folder, showing the folder name, all file names, file extensions, image dimensions, and file sizes. Take a screenshot of your BHH folder and place this in your evidence document. Okay, so that will be our evidence 1. Okay, so we can see the file type, okay, but we can't see the dimension and the sizes. Okay, so content. Okay, so this is it. Okay, but we need to make sure that this folder name is showing, so we need to take a screenshot from up here. So I'll take my screenshot from here and then place that in my evidence document as evidence 1. That's done. Okay, the web page task. Create in your BHH folder a web page called bhh.htm. Okay, so I'm going to open Microsoft Expression. Okay, so the name of the web page should be bhh.htm. Okay, so I'm going to save this as in our BHH folder. Okay, the name should be BHH. Okay, that's done. The web page must be created using a single table and must work in all browsers. The table must fit 80% of the browser window. The table must have a structure as shown in this diagram. Okay, so first we need to create a table. Okay, but before we create a table, we need to know how many rows, how many columns we have. Okay, so we have row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. Okay, so 4 rows, and then we have how many columns? Column 1, column 2, column 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, so I'm going to go to the design view and then click on table, insert table. So we have how many rows? 4 rows and 5 columns. So 4 rows and 5 columns. Okay, so we need to specify the width. It's 80%. Okay, so ensure that this is in percent and then okay. Okay, so we have the table. Okay, now we need to merge the cells. Okay, I'm just going to erase all of these lines. Okay, so we need to merge these cells, this one, this one. Okay, and then we are going to put the alphabets. Okay, so we start with the first one. So we merge the first row, right click, modify, merge cells, and then place the letter A. Okay, then we have B, C, D, E, F. Okay, we have B, C, D, E, and then we need to merge this to give us F. Okay, and then F. Okay, then we have G, H, I, J. Okay, G, H, I, J. And lastly we have K, 3 cells merged, and then L. Okay, K and then L. Okay, so now that we are done with that, then we need to put the cell's measurement. Okay, so the A is height 20%. Okay, so right click, cell properties. Okay, specify height 20%. Okay, make sure that you click in percent and then okay. Then we have width and height for B 20%. Right click, cell properties, width and height 20%. Then the others we have C, D, E, and F, all with 20%. Okay, right click, cell properties, 20%. E, percent, and then F. Okay, that's done. Then we don't have any measurement for G, H, I, J. Okay, so but we have for K. K is height 40%. K is height 40%. In percent. Okay, that's done. Okay, each table cells is identified with a letter. We're done with that. Some dimensions are shown. These must be set as percentage values and not in pixels. Okay, that has been done correctly. The cell content shown in the diagram must not appear on your final wall page. Okay, so that means that at the end of these questions, then there should be no letters, okay, showing on our final web page. The tables borders must not appear on the final web page. Okay, we need to take note of this. Okay, I think we might have to edit something. Okay, so set the title of the web page to Bali Holiday Homes homepage. The title. Okay, so I will go to the code view, and then here's the title. I will just paste here. Okay, set the name of the default target window to self. Okay, target window, this should be in the head. Okay, base target. Okay, it is self, and then closing tag, and then close. Okay, place in cell A the image logo, B BHH1 C D E F. Okay, so let's place the images one after the other. Okay, so we have logo first. Go to the design view. So A. Okay, please, you need to remove the letter. Okay, insert picture. Okay, we need to, where's the logo? Okay, logo. Always put alternate text. Okay, that's for A. Okay, then B. B, we need to have, okay, BHH 1 2 3 like that. Okay, insert picture, BHH1. Okay, BHH1. Then we go to C. Okay, BHH2. Then we go to D. BHH3. Then we go to E. BHH4. Okay, what's the next one? Okay, we have for F, jungle. F, jungle. Okay, this is F. F is jungle, okay. Okay, that's done. Place inline style attributes into the HTML so that each image fits the width of the table cell with its aspect ratio maintained. Okay, so that means we need to remove, go to the code view, and then we need to remove the height and the width of the image here, and then we need to make it 100%. So first of all, remove the height and the width of each one. Let's remove height and width. Height, width, height, width. Remove everything. Then you need to put inline style one by one. Okay, so style. Okay, the style is width, and then 100%. Style, width, 100%. Style, 100% style with 100%, and lastly style %. Okay, that's done. Okay, add appropriate alternate text to all images. We are done with that. Okay, place in the cell G the text compact and in cell H larger, into high secluded, in cell J the text with a view. Okay, so let's start with G first. Okay, you can do this in the design view or you do this in the code view, whichever one. Okay, but I think it will be more easy to do here, because in the design view you need to look for the letters before you do that. Okay, so in the code view, so for G we have compact G. I'll just remove the letter and place the text. Okay, for H larger. For I secluded. And then for J with a view. Okay, that's done. Okay, apply style H2 to all this text. Okay, so I'm going to do that in the design view. Style H2 to all this text. Okay, place your cursor here and then click here and then H2. H2, H2, H2. That's done. Okay, place in cell K the contents of the file J2131 text. Apply paragraph style to this text. Okay, so we need to go to our folder and find this text. Okay, open. So I'm going to copy the text and then place in cell K. Okay, where's K? Okay, this is K. Okay, design view. Okay, this is it. We need to apply paragraph style. Okay, apply paragraph style. That's done. Enter in cell L the text edited by, and then on a new line below this, place your name, center number and candidate number in cell L. Okay, place, then enter your name, center number and then candidate number. Then on a new line below this, enter the text contact BHH. Okay, contact BHH. Apply style H3 to all text in cell L. Okay, so apply style H3. All this is done. Create a hyperlink from the text contact BHH to open the web page j2131contact.htm in a new browser window called blank. Okay, so let's create hyperlink. Okay, so select this, right click, hyperlink. Okay, so you need to choose from existing file, current folder, or you can just browse the folder. Okay, so the file name is contacts.htm. Okay, this is it. And then we need to set the target frame. Okay, we need to set the the frame, target frame to blank. So target frame, new window, okay, that's blank. Okay, and then okay, that's done. Attach the style sheet to this web page. Save your web page. Okay, so we need to attach a style sheet. Okay, so to apply a style sheet, click on format, CSS styles, attach style sheet, browse. Okay, and then apply. Okay, just to be sure that it has been applied, go to the code view and go to the top. You should see the link reference. Okay, it should be linked here. Okay, then save. Okay, you can Control S or you just click on this, save. Okay, that's done. Okay, now to the CSS part. Open and edit the style sheet bh.css to meet the following specifications. Okay, so let's open the CSS file. Okay, this is it. Set the background for the web page so that it has a color with a blue component of 36, red component of 21, and green component of 2F. Okay, so for this you need to follow RGB. Okay, so you need to arrange the color in this order. So R is red, 21. Okay, G is 2F, and blue is 36. Okay, so we need to create a style sheet. So we don't have any style sheet for, any code for the body, so we can just create a new one. Format, new style. Okay, and then you can just choose body. Okay, then go to the background. Okay, so the color is 21 2F 36. 21 2F 36. Okay, this is done. Set the background for the web page so that the image J2131BG is placed in only the top left corner of the window. Okay, only at the top left corner. So let's attach the image first. So background image BG, is that the correct image? Yes. Okay, opened. So only at the top. So since it's supposed to be only at the top, it shouldn't be repeated. So no repeat. Again, the background attachment is not stated whether it is fixed, so we leave it that way. Okay, top left corner left, and then top. Yeah, that's it. Okay, there's no other style for background. Okay, so we click OK. That's done. Okay, set the font for the styles H1, H2, H3, and for paragraph style so that the browser select and display the font San Francisco. If the font is not available, the browser selects and displays the font Calibri. If neither of these fonts are available, then the browser should display its default sans serif. Okay, so we are going to create a new style for H1, H2, H3, and paragraph. Okay, format, new style. So H1, H2, H3, and then paragraph. Okay, so it should be San Francisco. Okay, San Francisco. If San Francisco is not available, then it should display Calibri. And if Calibri is not available, then it should display sans serif. Sans serif. Okay, that's all. Okay, so you click OK. This is done. Set the paragraph style so that the text is fully justified with a 12-point font. The paragraph style. Okay, this is the paragraph style. So you can just right click and edit, modify. Okay. The font is 12 point. Okay, 12 point, change this to point, and it is fully justified. Okay, fully justified, text alignment, justify. Okay, that's it. Right align all tables in the browser window. Right align. So if we are to right align, let's say the table is let's say this is the web page, okay, and we are to have a table enter this web page. So if it's going to be right aligned, then the table is going to be like this, okay, on the web page, and there's going to be space here. Okay, so we need to have margin left. Okay, we need to have margin left, so we need to have space on the left side so as to move the table to the right. Okay, so I'm just going to edit the table style, modify. Okay, so the table needs to be okay, so for margin right, I'm sorry, not right, left, margin left. Okay, now if we go to this go back to this point. Okay, it says table borders must not appear on the final web page. Okay, that means we need to remove this, make it 0, and then also make this 0. Okay, that's done. Add your name, center number, and candidate number as a comment at the end of the style sheet. Okay, so at the end here, /star, my name, center number, and candidate number, and then close it. Okay, all color codes must be displayed in hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML or scripting language. Save this style sheet in your BHH folder. Okay, we don't have our HTML, there's no scripting language. Let's see. Okay, so you can just save. Take a screenshot to show the file name and all the contents of your style sheet. Okay, so we need to take a screenshot and it must show this name. Okay, so and then paste this as evidence 2. Okay, this will be evidence 2. Okay, display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address bar is visible, the background image is fully visible, and then place this as evidence 3. Okay, so file, browser, something is wrong here. This is not how our browser should look. Okay, let's go to the code. Oh, okay, I need to remove this, and then this also. Okay, then the style should be style equal width 100%. Okay, which other one? Okay, let's save and then try to view again. Okay, now it is better. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce the size so that we can actually take a screenshot of everything. Okay, this is much more better. Okay, so now you can take a screenshot and then you place this in your evidence document as evidence 3, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, evidence 3. Okay, that's done. Display the HTML source in your editor. Take a copy of the HTML source and place this in your evidence document. Okay, so we need to copy our code, Ctrl A and Ctrl C, and then place this as evidence 4. Okay, this is done. Okay, and that's all for website authoring. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.